Okay, you're short. Inisip mo ngayon, girls don't like you. Hindi ka makapag-porma ng maayos. Minsan, napagkitripan ka sa height. And it's something you're really insecure about. So now, you've been fixing your posture. Nag-try ka ng mga fashion tips na pampatangkad. Like understanding your proportions. Or using vertical stripes to elongate your appearance. Pero deep inside, it's not helping your insecurities. Yung tipong hindi ka komportable sa sarili mong katawan. Well, here's what you gotta understand, bro. Usually, ang tao may dalawang insecurities. Yung mga bagay na kaya pang baguhin at yung mga bagay na hindi na talaga kayang baguhin. If you're young, may pag-asa pang maiba yan. Eat a balanced diet, get 8 hours of sleep every day, get your calcium and vitamins in. Basta give yourself the best conditions to grow taller. Pero darating yung point na hindi mo na mababago yan. And at that moment, what's the use worrying about it? Honestly, bro, it's not that big of a deal. And I'm not saying this to invalidate your feelings. I'm saying this to motivate you to focus on the things na kaya mong baguhin. Mag-workout ka and mag-diet and achieve the best physique you've ever dreamed of. Learn skills, be a good dancer, a singer, a guitarist. Mag-skincare ka and invest on a good barber. Preoccupy your time with the things that you can change. Sooner or later, you're gonna realize height is just one aspect of you. At ang lupit mo naman pala. Wala nang masaanga sa'yo, pre. Peace.